Okay. What's up, social media family? Cory Brim of Sugar Rim Bar, and I'm gonna try something that I'm always trying something new. So, welcome to the channel. What I want to do is, I have just gone over 8,000 subscribers. Yes, 8,000 subscribers, and I want to take a moment just to thank you guys. I want to break down the channel, and I want to show you kind of like what. I want to give you some insight, what it looks like, how much money am I making, right? So now I'm monetized. So I think that it'll be a great thing, a great journey for you to see where I'm starting, where I'm going, how I plan to grow this, and to give you some sort of background or backstage or behind the scenes sort of look, because a lot of people make these YouTube videos, and a lot of people make some serious money. All right, so let me just give you a breakdown of what I'm doing, and let's see if I can get behind the screen. So, all right, so check it out. So look, so this is my YouTube channel, right? So here's me, Sugar Rim Bar. I got 8,100 subscribers. Dude, this is crazy. I cannot believe this, right? So check this out. I have this month, I uploaded a video, and I'll go over that in this video. I uploaded a video, and it's getting me almost 1,000 new subscribers, which is insane to me. So let's just go right back. Let's go right to the analytics, because that's kind of like, you want to kind of get to it. You don't want to like just hear me talking. You want to see what's going on, okay? So here's the analytics, right? So this is my overview. And they just sent me this thing up. They tell me I'm up 194%, which again is insane, right? So here's my revenue. This is what I've made over the last 28 days, I think. Here are my views, 25,000 views. Here's my watch time. And I have a plus of 866 subscribers, which again, I don't want to keep saying it, but it's insane. All right, so look, so check it. I want to break this down for you guys so you can see what I'm talking about. All right, so let's go to audience maybe. Let's go to audience, because I think I can find it in there. Maybe it's in reach. And I want to thank you guys for subscribing. I want to thank you guys for like commenting. Everything is just so insane and so crazy. There's the impressions. Here's my click-through rate, which is 6.2. Here's my unique visitors, 18,000 new unique visitors. All right, so look, so see here. So this is October. Look at how it's spiking, right? So look, guys, I'm just like you guys. I'm just making content. I'm putting it up. But guys, you never know what video, you never know, you just got to keep putting out content. And as I kept putting out content, look, like it just kept going up. And now it's starting to like, I'm catching it now where I'm riding this wave where it's just increasingly going higher and higher and higher. So right here, most of my people come from a YouTube search. Down here, you can see like, so these are my traffic sources, side hustles, because I'm a king of the grindpreneurs, always trying to do a side hustle. Another one of my platforms is Facebook, and I'll go over that a little bit more as I go deeper into the analytics and show you guys. And so this video that I have, the box truck video, that is the one that took off. That's the one that's going crazy. I got a couple videos that are doing really well, but I want to show you the impressions of what it's doing and why I think that now is a perfect time for everybody to get in, right? Here's my engagement and views. So my average view time is 4 minutes. I mean, look, at the end of the day, I know sometimes I make some long videos, and you may not want to hear me talking for 18, 20 minutes. I'm going to do a little bit better. So what the analytics are telling me is I got to get better with condensing my my videos, edit them a little bit better, and getting down to like the nitty gritty of what you guys are wanting to hear and see. So if it's telling me that, that's what I'm going to, so it's down 1%, I'm going to pick up on that. So right here, you'll see my starting at 30 minutes. So this has been my #1 video. This giving me the percentages. So with this, it kind of shows me what people want or where they're going. And if you see at this, you see where I'm starting to lose people. They sort of drop off right here within that 5 to 6 minute mark. So I got to do, and I'm willing to share this with you, because I want you to see that not everybody that makes YouTube videos, because people on the outside, they think that like, oh, you're doing great and all that. Like you got to really study and really take your time to do your analytics and figure out where they're dropping off at. So I need to hold people's retention right here in that I got to do better at holding people's retention right here in that 4 to 5 minute mark. So that's a challenge on me to make better videos. So here are my top videos. I got end scenes on my videos. Here's my playlist. So let's get down to the audience, and then we'll get into the revenue, because honestly, I think that's what people really want to see, is really the revenue. This is when it's telling me that my peak time, this is something really, really important that I think everyone should look at. This is telling me the peak times that I should post. You should definitely take a look at that. Let me see if I can scroll down a little bit more. Those are the times. Everyone's from the United States. This is dope right here. So if you see here where it says subscribe and not subscribe, so most of my people that are watching, or most of the people that are doing anything, it's coming from the not subscribed part. This is a breakdown of who the people are. So most of you guys are 92% of you are male. So again, that just tells me that I need to start making more content geared towards males that are in this age group. And in my opinion, the videos that I think that I'm going to start making are videos where we talk about credit, life, because I remember what my life was like in that 18 to 24, 25 to 34-year range, when no one was out there giving me information and helping me along in life. So I think I'm going to gear my next upcoming content more towards that. But let's get to the meat and potatoes, right? Let's get into the revenue, because that's what you really want to know, right? So again, I showed you earlier, this is 44 $441.21 is what I've earned in the last 30 days. But I want to show you, let me show you this. I want to show you something really important. Okay. So let's look at the last 365 days. Let's go to out to a year. Right. So if you take a look in here, right, this was last year. Probably like most people, I was making, I had some videos, I put them up. Really, I wasn't really monitoring it or whatever. I made a couple videos. You'll see right here. I published a couple videos, but it wasn't until it was somewhere kind of about a month or so ago. I just started take okay, I'll tell you exactly what happened. What happened is right here. Do you see this dip right here where my channel bottomed out? So I was okay making like $5 or $6 a day, because I have a business. I have a very successful business, Sugar and Bar. Even during the pandemic, I was still making money. I stacked some money. Everything was okay. I uploaded YouTube came out with this thing where they were protecting children, which it was a COPA thing, and I uploaded a video and I uploaded it incorrectly. And what I did was, the question asked me, it said, "Is this video suitable for children?" And so I'm thinking, like, I'm making a motivational video. Of course, it's suitable for children. So I click yes, and what that did was it demonetized. So if you look right here, it demonetized my entire channel. Now, again, I wasn't making a lot of excuse me, I'm sorry. I wasn't making a lot of money, right? I wasn't making a lot of money, but to go from making 5 or 6 to $7 a day, and I hit this to, like, the most I made was like $9. I almost made $10 a day. To having it drop to nothing, I was like, oh my God, like, let me figure it out. So then I dove back into YouTube University. I started figuring out what had happened. It took me a few days to figure it out. I am not techie. I don't, I think I'm like most people. I just didn't want to lose my channel. So then I got back in, I started reading videos, I started creating the thumbnail. So what you see now and the surge that you see now is the beginning. So this is why I wanted to make this video, because I wanted to have a point where I don't know what this video, I have no idea. I hope, man, one day when I'm looking back and, making $10,000 a month, $100,000 a month, $10 million from YouTube, at least I have a video where I can look back and I can say that I was like everyone else. This is 2019, 2020. And right here is where it just took off. I started taking my videos serious. I started editing a little bit more. I started just doing different things, making better content to put out there. And so what you'll see now is, let me go back to the last 7 days. So this is over the last 7 days. So now what I'm averaging today, this is the most I've ever made on YouTube, $38.50, right? And so my revenue up into this month, I think I can do it monthly too. Yeah, I can do it monthly. So let's look at October, right? So in October, I made $257.56. And I know me revealing this, some people are going to say that's not a lot of money, but look, this is something that I was doing for free on YouTube or on Facebook. I'm sorry, on Facebook, I have a following of 15,000 followers, and then I have 5,000 friends, so I have almost 20,000 people, and I did that for 10 years, making videos every day. And Facebook doesn't pay me a dime; they didn't pay me anything. So if I would have just did the same thing on YouTube, if I would put the same energy, and that's what I'm thinking, if I put the same energy into my YouTube channel that I did over my Facebook channel, what does my life look like when I'm making $100 a day, $1,000 a day, and I didn't have to do anything? All right, so let's go to November, right? So we're in November. I've already made $323. So let me just jump back really quick. So in October, I made $257. I made a couple videos that kind of, they're hitting right now. I'm getting some good traction on them. And those videos alone, I've already made more, and November's not even over. I've already made more in this month than I've made in any of the months prior, right? So let's see, let's go 2019. So if you see again in 2019, I wasn't doing anything, you know, I was making a couple bucks, whatever. And then once I started taking it serious and once I started buckling down and getting, you know, making thumbnails and making better content, that's where you see the spike. And which and where you guys are coming in now, you're coming in on this. Not everybody. I know you. Some of you guys have been following me for a while, and I definitely appreciate you guys hanging in there and dealing with me with all the craziness. But what you're seeing now, the spike that you're seeing now, is you're watching me grow my channel from just hustle and grit. So see right here. So there's June, July. This is what I was making. And then another thing that happened was I had like 1,500 bucks or whatever. I didn't even cash it out. And because they had switched the YouTube laws or whatever, they made me take the money. I didn't even want the money. I was just letting it build and sit like a savings fund. And so you can see right here where last month I made 257 and I'm already tracking. So maybe this month, I don't know, man, maybe I'll do like 600 or 700 bucks this month. But again, it's free money. It's ad revenue, but it's free money. And if I can take something, and so that's what I want you guys to realize, that you don't have to have a large channel. You don't have to, you know, I know sometimes we look at other people's channels and you know, you see Meet Kevin, you see Grant Stefan, you see Ryan Serhan, you see these guys, and you're like, oh my God, like they dropped a video, you know, and like Meet Kevin, he drops 5 videos and I can't even get out one. Guys, don't focus on that. Don't even think about like those kind of things. Focus on your channel. Link up with some content creators that are sort of in the same similar space. It's cool to watch people and not idolize them, but to pick up pointers from them. But you got to tweak it to you. If there's any advice that I could give you or say to you in this sort of like YouTube space is you know, a lot of people, and I'm guilty of it too. In the beginning, you know, I'm trying to make these 10-minute videos. What, you know, how long do they have to be to get the ad revenue? And then what I realize and what I think is happening now is I stopped focusing on trying to make it 10 minutes to hit that ad revenue, or 8 minutes now, I think. But how can I put in good content? Whether that's 8 minutes, 10 minutes, 6 minutes, 4 minutes. Can I build up good content that can keep people engaged and give them the information that I wish somebody would have given me on day one when I lost everything? So look, I just wanted to show you just really quick, but the sort of like the behind the scenes of what's going on. And I want you guys to hang in there. And I know, again, I know at times it seems like, you know, it sort of seems like things are crazy. And so look, let me show you over the lifetime of me being on YouTube. So look, I joined in 2010. So look, I've been on YouTube for 10 years. It took 9 years. Look, I was even uploading videos, and I wasn't making any money. And I literally was just uploading these videos because I didn't want to lose them from my phone. And so I uploaded them, and I uploaded a video. I didn't monitor it. I didn't go back. I didn't monetize it. I didn't do any of that. And then one day I have a video that went viral on Facebook, and I thought to myself, man, if I'd have put that on YouTube, what could I have done? And so I came back and revisited my channel, and lo and behold, I was doing numbers and didn't even know it. So guys, it doesn't matter where you start. Doesn't matter that you see me and I have 8,000 people on YouTube, 20,000 people on Facebook. That doesn't matter. The thing is, you got to start somewhere. And too often we look at other people and we think that like that can't be us. I'm telling you, it can be you. I'm doing it. And as of today, as of the recording, as of 11/17 at 6:36 p.m., today was the most money I've ever made on YouTube. Now, I have a very successful business, you know, and then sometimes I even try to think, why would I'm not stepping away, but why would I put energy into this? The reason I would put energy into this is the same way I started my business. I'm looking for greater content, greater things, information that I can give people. And I'm just going to be very honest with you. I think that YouTube, to me, in my opinion, is a place that where people are seeking answers. Facebook, to me, and I don't want my 20,000 followers on Facebook to think that I'm stabbing them in the back. But Facebook to me seems like a place where, like, I'll put out something and I'll show people how to make $100 a day, and on Facebook they're going to pick it apart. They're going to tell me how it's not possible. Where on YouTube, I'll make that same video, put out that same content, and people say thank you, because I came here looking for knowledge. I came here looking to figure out how to make some money today, and I just feel like YouTube is it. So, and if I can make, and if I can monetize it and they're going to pay me, it's a, you know, billions of dollars they're making in ad revenue, I'll take a piece of that. So, anyway, I hope this was insightful. This is my first like on and all and everything that I'm doing, it's all first. I don't have camera crews. I'm sitting up here studying things of how to make these things. I know it's not perfect. It's not, I don't have I don't have a background yet. I have lighting and all that. I just bought these microphones, so I'm starting to invest a little bit more. And so, look, if you have ways out there, if you have a YouTube channel, comment down below. How did you grow your channel? What are some tips that some people can use or do where they can grow their channel? Because I believe that if we help each other, just open source, share as much information. Now, you got to make money. Don't get me wrong, I'm a hustler, but if we help each other along, I just believe a rising tide raises all boats. So I want to thank you guys for watching. Thank you for subscribing. I just honestly, I cannot believe how quick that one video. Let me show you what the one video is before we jump off here. So here's the one video before I end. The one video I put up was this video right here. It's how to make $500 a day with your box truck, which I really do, So you can see right now, I mean, look, I just checked about an hour ago. It was at 15,000 views. It's at 16,000 views. This one video is averaging 2,000 views a day. My channel now is averaging 3 to 4,000 views over all the videos. So that's what I'm saying. Like, you don't know which video. I have hundreds of videos. So you don't know which video is going to be the breakout video. You have no idea. Just keep making the content, man. Keep putting out good content. Keep helping people. At least that's what I believe is happening for me. Keep putting out good content. Keep helping people. Keep striving. Never give up. Always believe in yourself, and just keep hustling and going, man. So if this was encouraging to you, leave me some comments down below. Like I said, subscribe to the channel. Hit that notification bell. Let me know what kind of content you would like, because at the end of the day, even though I'm doing this, I'm very serious. This is your channel, right? So you guys are my grindpreneurs. This is your channel. Let me know what you want to see on here. And I just want to bring better and greater content to you as I grow the channel. And not only that, just the same way I did it on Facebook, I want you to see me grow. I want you to see that someone like you can get out here and make it possible. And it doesn't have to be, it's not fancy. All right. It's not professional. Not yet. It's going to be, but I want you to be a part of it and watch me grow. All right, man. Well, I'm going to end this. I thank you guys for watching. Thank you for commenting. Thank you for sharing. And I love to see you guys on the next video, man. I'll talk to you guys soon.